Twin powerful earthquakes devastate Venezuela. Buildings collapse as rainfall rises. Two powerful earthquakes struck Venezuela on June 24th, causing widespread destruction and triggering panic across several regions, including areas near the capital, Caracas. Eyewitnesses footage from La Guira showed collapsed buildings, shattered roads, and rescue teams racing against time to search for survivors trapped under debris. According to the United States Geological Survey, USGS, a 7.5 magnitude earthquake hit around 160 kilometers west of Caracas and was followed less than a minute later by a stronger 7.5 magnitude tremor. The twin quakes triggered several structural damage, powerful aftershocks, and widespread fear among residents. Authorities have confirmed at least 100 deaths and more than 1,000 injured so far. Emergency responders, including rescue teams, police, and firefighters, remain on the ground. Search and rescue operations continue. Officials work that the death toll may rise further as crews work through heavily damaged areas and assess the full scale of the disaster.
Aquí hay tres vivos, aquí está una señora.
¿Se escuchan?
Una muchacha.
¿Están hablando?
Mano, habla para que te escuchen.
¿Cómo te llamas, hermano?
Anthony. ¿El otro? Ramón. ¿Y el otro? Ari. Sí. Sí, mano, aquí está una señora. Señora, hable para que la escuchen. Están vivos, mano, están vivos. Y allá atrás hay como...
Ahí le escucho.
Jesús, hermano, háblame.
¡Marico! ¡Mi mamá! ¡Mi mamá!